Okay guys, so of course I gotta start off with my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my hairline. You hear that? Squeaky clean, because I just washed my face and everything, so it's already squeaky clean, but you can never be too clean in my opinion. So today's video is gonna be a full get ready with me. You guys know how this goes: hair, makeup, perfume, then outfit, all in one video. I'm going to dinner with my friend later, so it's time for me to get ready, and I don't like to rush, so I like to get ready sooner than later. So today I'm working with RPGSHOW Lifestyle. This is a sub-brand for RPGSHOW, so if you ever see RPGSHOW Lifestyle, it is still RPGSHOW, just another extension of their brand. So from what I've grasped from this sub-brand is that it's more natural lengths, shoulder lengths, the highlights, the lowlights, easier wig installs, 1-minute wig installs, super easy units, put on and go type of things, which I personally think RPGSHOW already has very easy units, but these are even easier, like just the way they're constructed and the style of them and all that, they're even more ready to go. So working with them for the first time today, so I'm super excited because I already love RPGSHOW. I rave about them all the time. I think their wigs are top notch, and I think they're definitely worth the coin, okay, if you're trying to invest into a nice wig, a quality wig that's gonna last you a long time at that. So I have this wig today. I'm trying to adjust it while I talk. So this is the wig. I did go ahead and wash it and condition it, and I blow dried it only because I am gonna probably do more of a pin curl style, we're gonna see, but I didn't want any like crinkles or dips in the hair because it does get kind of wavy like a body wave, so I wanted it to be smooth. But I love how this still has texture. Do you see that? It's super soft and silky. Well, not silky, but it's super soft, but it has texture, which means it's gonna hold a curl and it's gonna look more natural. I do not like super silky hair. I'm realizing I like hair with a little bit of texture so that it holds a curl, but then I can press it out. It's more versatile, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. You guys know I do not like to really talk. Ooh. Oh, that noise. I don't really like to talk through my installs because I just feel like it drags out the whole thing, and I have plenty of videos of me installing. So what I'm gonna do is install this wig. I might come back for the styling part, but I will be pin curling this. Hopefully, I think I should. I think that'll be really cute because this is like a shoulder length. But yeah, this is how the parting space in the wig is looking like. So there's not a lot on the side, but you do have a lot down the middle. But I don't want to do a middle part. I'm already a little iffy about this bob. Y'all know I have not worn a bob or shoulder length in a long time, so I'm like, ah. But I do want to do more of a tousle or like, you know, something like that. Something very like blowout-ish. So I'm really happy that the texture looks like this. So I just cut off the lace in the back. It does have a comb, adjustable strap. I love the straps in the wigs because you can wear them more glueless, and they're gonna have a more snug fit. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on, you guys, and we're gonna see.
dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should.
All right, so the back is just gonna be, I don't know, we're gonna see, but I'm just combing it to make sure that I'm doing the right thing because, yes, because I'm a little concerned. And I feel like this length hair needs to have color just to like show the style and the layers and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm probably not gonna pin it because like what's the point? But do you guys see how like natural it looks? Like, oh my gosh. All right, so I got both sides done and this is how it's looking. I just kind of needed a base as to what I'm doing, so it's not styled 100%, but I kind of know what direction I'm going now. So I'm gonna cut this lace, which I forgot about because it's not super long. I'm gonna cut this lace off. Woo, child. And this wig is very, very snug, so you can most definitely wear this wig glueless if you wanted to. And I'm just cutting, and you guys see the movement that I'm doing. And done. Super easy. So, you know, you can leave it like this, but that's not giving for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out just a little bit of edges to mimic a hairline, because you don't want your hairline going straight across. I don't really want baby hairs, but we're just gonna have to see where this goes. Is this still on? Perfect. So yeah, I think this might be the kind of style that I'm going for. I don't really want a part though, so we're just gonna kind of leave that like so. I'm gonna style it a little bit more. I'm gonna style it a little bit more so that I can like pin it up. I'm trying to see. I want it really soft. I don't want anything super like pressed and like perfect. I want it very like soft. Alright, so I've pinned the front of my hair just for more volume. I wish I had rollers. That would have been perfect. But the back is like, you know, tousled or whatever, you see that? But the front is gonna be giving volume. So now it's time to lay these baby hairs so we can move into this makeup. I know that's what you guys want to see. And just because you pull out this many baby hairs, that does not mean that you need all these baby hairs. It just kind of helps you create a hairline or see what direction you're going with it. And you guys know me, I like to flip my baby hairs, even if I'm doing dramatic baby hairs, soft baby hairs. I just think it helps guide me. When I don't flip them, it really be a struggle. And then this side, I really never care about because this side most likely is covered because I feel like this is my good side. So this side has to be laid and slayed, baby. So I'm gonna take my Nairobi and my edge brush and just swoop and swoop until we get it right. So I start with swooping what I have left out, which actually this might be a moment today. And then I'll push back whatever I don't want or need. And when you do baby hairs, it just creates the illusion of like a more scalp-like. Like you see now it's looking more scalpy, less hairliney. And if necessary, I will take my tweezers and pluck some of those out so it's not as dense. You feel me? Honestly, Nairobi's like the best foam for this. I neglected it for a while, but I'm back to my senses. And you could literally take, ooh, I'm in the mirror moving around. You can literally take it and go like this and just slick it back. Oh, wow, it looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna take this even, because that's really gonna melt that. And take the tail of my comb and push that in. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in and we're gonna get into this face. Got that, and like that. So I have a line of demarcation because I had that thing on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with my foundation brush. But no added foundation, it's just gonna blend it together. So So I'm gonna go like so. And honestly, at this part of your hair, with this kind of style, you just have to really shape it and play with it until it's how you want it. You feel me? So now for my final hairspray to lock everything in and keep that body, I'm gonna be using this Lock It L'Oreal hairspray. I learned my lesson yesterday to not use this like I use my other hairspray. This one is literally a final hairspray to keep everything in place and just put in the middle because it does get kind of hard, which is what you want it to do, but baby, no. All right, so I'm gonna get my outfit together. I'm wearing one of two things. We will see. And I will be back. Yes, for the hair. Yes. All right, guys, so I was able to put together an outfit. Wardrobe malfunctions, other malfunctions, but we're headed out. This is the hair, okay? It's very, you know, bouncy, voluminous. So